Hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, I will show you how to recover your files from crashed Windows to your USB flash drive. If you are facing this problem and unable to recover your files, then today's video is going to be very important for you. So, let's start the video. First of all, you need to connect a bootable USB drive on your computer and restart your computer. Press boot key on your computer and select bootable USB drive and press enter. Now click on next. Now click on repair option. Okay, now click here troubleshoot option. Now click on command prompt. Command prompt open. Now type here notepad and press enter. Notepad open. Now click on file and click on open option. Now click on this PC. Here you can find all computer drive. Now you can easily copy paste any files from one drive to another drive. You can also copy any data on your USB drive easily. After that, click cancel, close notepad and close CMD. Now you can install your operating system or turn off your PC. In this way, you can easily recover your files from crashed Windows to your USB drive. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thank you.